everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you have a flashing blue light on your PlayStation 5 controller. This could simply mean that you're trying to connect and it's not connecting to your PlayStation 5 or another Bluetooth device. So what you could do to fix this, it's rather easy. You can turn over your controller and then there will be a small reset hole right here that you can use like a toothpick, and you can press that down and it will turn off your controller and reset it. So let's press it down right now and you'll notice that the controller will turn off. Then I can simply try reconnecting it to my PlayStation 5 with a USB cable like this, or you can just press the PlayStation button and see if it will reconnect. So you can see it's reconnected to my PlayStation. Now you can use a USB cable to reconnect it as well, and then press the PlayStation button, and you might have to press this multiple times. When you connect it, it might only charge with like a orange light right here. Then press the PlayStation button multiple times on the controller and it should be a solid blue light. Now if you're still having further issues, hold down the power button on the PlayStation 5 and manually turn this off. So you'll hear one beep, then you'll hear a second beep, then turn around the PlayStation 5 and unplug it from the wall outlet and leave it unplugged for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. So I can see it's completely turned off. It's not blinking anymore. Then after 1 to 2 minutes, plug it back in. Then after performing a hard reset, plug in your controller. Then press the PlayStation button and it should turn it on. Now if you've had your PlayStation 5 controller connected to your PS5 previously and now it's just all of a sudden not working, you could try forgetting it on the settings menu. So if you have a second controller, or maybe you have a TV remote that you can control the PS5 with, go up to settings right here and select this. Then go on down to accessories. Go to the right under general to Bluetooth accessories and locate your controller that you're having an issue with. Press X on it and then go to delete. And forget the PlayStation 5 controller. Now you'll have to reconnect it. If you press the PlayStation button, it won't connect. It'll just start blinking like this, blue. It says cannot connect to this device. Use a USB device and register it again. So let's do that. So here is my USB cable. I'm going to plug it into the controller. Press the PlayStation button. Press it again. And it should connect now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.